Now this is BMW's most luxurious EV yet, the all-electric i7.
Now we got a first look at it all the way in Munich when it was first launched. You can click the I in the top right-hand corner to check that out.
Our dear friend Julian also got behind the wheels of the i7 in sunny California. Now that link is in our description below.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss out when we upload a new video.
But in case you need a reintroduction, this is the i7.
BMW's new electric flagship luxury limo with 2 electric motors,
544 horsepower.
a 101.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack.
We get around 500 kilometers of range on our roads.
And today we're going to show you 5 amazing, cool, mind-blowing things about the i7. Buy or sell your car now with CarBuyer Singapore and check out the latest automotive content with us.
Now this is what BMW calls its crystal iconic glow. It's honestly so pretty, it actually dances when you approach or leave the car.
Now this is my favorite part of the BMW i7, the dynamic interaction bar. It's a panel that stretches across the dashboard onto the doors, and basically it's crystals backlit by an LED. And if you go into my modes, it'll do a really gorgeous light dance. So if you assess, say, sport for example, everything turns red because that's sporty, and then your acceleration also has an increased response. Your air springs lower by 10 millimeters, and there's an artificial whirring sound in the motors because sport mode. But you also have digital art, for example, and you get to view a digital piece of art from the artist Cao Fei, and everything is so purple. It's very cyberpunk, digital, perfect for city driving. And my personal favorite, relax. The sunshades just close, even on the back and on the windows, and you can just take a nap from all that, busy executive business dealings that you do. But one thing that I'm sure you and I already know is that in the i7, you can open all the doors with just the touch of a button. Everyone has it, the driver, passengers, even the rear seat passengers. One touch, and the doors open.
Now one more cool feature that we absolutely love about the i7. Let's just say you're on your way back to your car, your hands are full.
Or you want to impress friends and family after a night out.
Or maybe, the chick across the street. You could simply just... Now, like we mentioned, the i7 is a luxury limo. Now, what could you expect more of a car than a 5.5-inch touchscreen at the palm of your hands? This actually can control everything, You could set the music, you can adjust your seat. You can even control your seats, your blinds, ambient lighting, everything, just with a touch of a button. Check this out. Wow, this is insane. This is taking luxury to a whole new level. And that being said, you can even control the BMW My Modes from here. You have relax, expressive, digital art, and personal as well. All from a tap of a button, and it changes the entire cabin of the car. Alright, I'm gonna go fiddle around.
Now this is my second favorite part about the i7, the Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system. There's 18 high-performance speakers, dual opposed woofers. Let me just play some royalty-free house music. Let me blast it to just really give you an idea, okay? It's not even, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's not even like full volume, okay? Why is it so loud? Okay, it's not even gone like barely halfway. It's like just past halfway full volume, yeah? You can basically hold your own like house party in here. Like just, I don't know, sit here and... Oh my God.
And there you have it. 5 cool things that we love about the i7.
Which feature do you like the best? Let us know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up.
Subscribe if you have not for more automotive content on CarBuyer Singapore. I'm Luke.
I'm Kim.
We'll see you next time.